This video will walk you through the general rack tips as well as how to load and unload your bike. To open the arms on your ION, hold the arm levers down while simultaneously pulling each arm up and away from the tray. To close your ION tire arms, ratchet the arms back onto the bike tray. The ION foot pedal features a foot pedal lock. When lowering the ION into the hauling position, spin the knob clockwise to engage the foot pedal lock. Use the foot pedal to tilt the rack down from the stowed position to load and haul bikes. Use the foot pedal again to tilt further down to a 45-degree angle for hatch or trunk access. Hold ION lever and open tire arm. Pull arm down into negative position. Loosen wing knob on the bike ramp and expand tray to desired length. Retighten wing knob. To install the bike ramp, simply rest ramp hooks onto ION tire arm joints. The ION comes with a front wheel stabilizer and a rear tire strap kit to help secure bikes weighing over 70 pounds, bikes with fenders, bikes that have a wheelbase over 53 inches, or whenever using the ION with an RV or off-road. Load your bike by rolling the bike up the ramp and into the position on the tray. Close your ION tire arm. Slide the stabilizer under the front tire. Secure rear wheel with the rear tire strap by sliding one end of the rear tire strap up, around, and through the rear wheel. Feed the end of the rear tire strap through the ratchet head. Ensure rear tire strap is tight against the wheel and the ratchet is fully engaged. Push tabs inward and slide FastFit wheel chocks up or down the tire arm to adjust for measured wheel size. Visually ensure tabs are fully secured in notches. Misaligned tabs or tabs not fully secured will show a red warning indicator. It is recommended to position the FastFit wheel chock as high on the tire as possible. Extra tire straps are included for added stability for bikes with fenders. Simply wrap around the tire, wheel chock, through the buckle, and strap back on itself. Hold ION lever and open tire arm. Pull arm down into negative position. Place bike ramp hooks onto the tire arm joints. Undo the rear tire strap kit. With the front tires still secure in the front wheel stabilizer, the bicycle will continue to be stable in the tray. Use one hand to grip the bicycle. Use your free hand to hold the ION tire arm lever open. Push the bike forward to free the tire from the front stabilizer. Roll the bicycle down the ramp. Thread cable through rear wheel, frame, and front wheel when possible. Insert the cable lock key into the lock port located on ION center beam and twist the lock open. Then thread the cable through the cable end loop. Secure cable tip into lock port.